When dealing with commodities, you're probably going to be making a lot of tomorrow's decisions today. To help you with this, Vesper combines human expertise and AI technology running independently to give you the most complete view of where the markets are heading. Let me show you how this works. Starting off with your AI forecast. You can go to the Outlook section over here and you'll find the AI forecast here in the left bar. You'll see we forecast prices, production, and ending stocks. In the price forecasting, you can select a product like you're used to from the product dropdown. And then once you've selected the product, it will show on your screen. And you'll see, of course, the historical price line is the full line. Then you'll see the dotted line, which are our forecasts on a monthly basis. And on the right, you'll see historical accuracy. We believe it's super important for you to know exactly how our forecast performs. So we'll show you an average accuracy over the past 2 years. You can easily shift the time frame that you're looking at the accuracy for in this bar over there. And probably when you select a longer time frame, the accuracy will go down a little bit, as of course, it's more difficult to predict. We also show you for every individual price point, we show you exactly what we forecast historically. You'll see the green diamond, and in the tooltip, you'll see the actual number. But, of course, human expertise is also very important. So what we do is we write market reports on a weekly basis, trying to help you understand exactly what is happening in the market and maybe some of the sentiment that you hear every now and again. You can always select a report, open it, and there you'll find context, but also outlooks on what's going to happen in the market.